Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time, you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe. So in this video we're making this beautiful bonnet. Let's get to it. So guys, this is what we are going to do. I have two fabric here, this and this, and I'm going to fold each one by 4. I folded by 2, like you see, by 2, and I'm folding again, which is by 4, and that's the same thing I did at this yellow fabric. So that's the same thing I did here. So now I'm having 8, 4 of this, making it 8. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure what I have here. So I have 11 inches, but I'm going with 10.5. So I'll measure 10.5 here all the way around, 10.5 here, 10.5 here, all the way to the end, 10.5. So I'm going to connect all these points like this. So I'm just going to cut this out. So once I'm done cutting it out, I'll open it up like this. So I'm having a full circle right now. So I'll open it up, face front side facing each other. So I'll just go to my sewing machine right now, and I'm going to give it a stitch all the way around, and I'm going to leave about 2 inches here so that I'll use it to turn it to the front. So I'll just go and sew it all around and come back and show you. So guys, I went ahead to use my weaving machine to weave this all the way around, but if you don't have a weaving machine, you can sew it. Then remember I said that you're going to leave a little space here, like 2 or 1.5 inch, so that you use to turn it around. So I'm done with that. Next thing is to turn this over to the right side. So here I am done turning it front side. So I'll just give it a very nice pressing iron, and I'll show you the head to iron it all the way down. So next thing I'm going to do is to go to my sewing machine, and I'm going to give, so from here I'm going to mark 2 inches from here. I'm going to mark 2 inches here. So I'm going to mark 2 inches all the way round. I'm going to sew it here. Then I'm going to, after that 2 inches that I sew, so I'm going to add another stitches. So I'm going to do a double stitches, which is the 2 inches, then half inch. I'm going to put my elastic band, you get. So here I'll mark 2 inches and I'll sew it all around. Once I'm done with that, I'll mark half an inch and I'll sew it all around as well. And I'm going to the sewing machine and sew it. Then I'll come back and show you how it is. So guys, here I am done sewing it. As you can see, now this is my 2 inch and this is the half inch where I'll be putting in my elastic. So once I put the elastic, you now see all the effects. So next thing is to just put my elastic. So from this opening, this is where I'll be putting my elastic from. So let me show you how. My elastic all the way round. So I'm going to come out from here. So I'm just going to arrange this so it won't be too tight and it won't be too loose. So put it to your own preference, how you prefer it, how tight you want it to be on your head. So let me just arrange it the way I want it. So once I get what I want, I will now remove this. And I'm going to cut out the excess elastic. I'm going to hold it like this. You have to hold it as much as possible so it won't open. You can see I folded it by 4. So I'll now cut out this excess here. So guys, this is what we have. I'll just see, this is the other side. This is the other side. Depends on the one how you want to style it. You can see the printed effect. So I'll just go to my sewing machine and cover this up. Take this in. So here, the place that we went in with elastic, then cover this place up. Go in by 1/2 inch, and I'll sew it like here. Then I'll come back and show you the final look. So guys, I am done sewing it. So everything is now ready and beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now. Bye bye.